Do you know what I've noticed? Some women can leave the house wearing a simple white t-shirt, minimal makeup, and a pair of flats, and somehow look 10 times more elegant than a woman wearing designer labels. And no, it's usually not because they're naturally prettier. It's not because they're younger. And it's not because they're richer. The difference is often something much less obvious. Grooming. Not the kind of grooming that takes 2 hours every morning. The kind that quietly works in the background. The kind that makes a woman look polished before she even gets dressed. Because the truth is, old money women rarely rely on daily effort. They rely on systems. They invest in habits that make life easier. Habits that allow them to wake up looking put together. Habits that reduce the need for constant maintenance. What I find fascinating is that many of these habits are available to almost every woman. Some require a little planning. Some require consistency. Some cost almost nothing. But together, they create that refined, expensive, effortless appearance that so many women admire. And today, I want to share 10 old money grooming habits that make any woman look more polished, elegant, and refined. Not because they're trying harder, but because they've learned how to maintain themselves intelligently. Hello, my love. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Elisa, and I'm the creator of Return to Elegance, a community dedicated to helping women cultivate beauty, femininity, faith, elegant living, and a more intentional life. Alongside this channel, I also created the Return to Elegance Masterclass, the Return to Elegance ebook, the Return to Elegance Editorial, for women who want to go deeper and truly transform their lifestyle from the inside out. You'll find all of those linked below in the description box. And before we begin today's video, a little reminder that the June issue of the editorial is now live, and this month's theme is The Beauty of Slow Living. New pages are released every week throughout the month, so if you'd like to join us, I'll leave the link below. Now let's begin. Habit number 1, they spend money where it saves them time. One of the biggest differences I've noticed between elegant women and everyone else is that they think long-term. Instead of spending 30 minutes drawing their brows every morning, they may tint or shape them regularly. Instead of curling lashes every day, they may invest in a lash lift every 6 to 8 weeks. Instead of constantly fighting damaged hair, they maintain trims, treatments, and healthy hair routines throughout the year. The goal isn't to look glamorous. The goal is to wake up already looking polished. This is what I call high maintenance to become low maintenance. And honestly, it may be one of the smartest beauty philosophies a woman can adopt. Habit number 2, they treat their skin like an investment, not an emergency. One thing I've noticed about women who always look polished is that they aren't constantly trying to fix their skin. They're maintaining it. They understand that healthy skin isn't built the week before an event. It's built through daily habits, consistent hydration, good sleep, sun protection, regular facials when possible, and simple skincare routines they actually stick to. In fact, some of the most elegant women I know use fewer products than everyone else. They're simply consistent, and consistency will always outperform perfection. Habit number 3, they pay attention to the details nobody photographs. The cuticles, the heels of the feet, the neck, the hands, the elbows, the areas most people ignore. Old money grooming isn't about impressing strangers. It's about maintaining yourself with care, even when nobody is looking. And I think that's a beautiful mindset, because elegance is often revealed in private before it's ever noticed in public. And my love, if you're someone who wants to go beyond inspiration and actually create lasting change in your appearance, lifestyle, confidence, and personal elegance, that's exactly why I created the Return to Elegance Masterclass. Inside the masterclass, I walk you through the complete system I personally use to help women elevate their image, wardrobe, habits, lifestyle, and feminine presence in a practical and structured way. So while the editorial is designed to inspire and nourish you month after month, the masterclass is where we do the deeper transformation work together. You'll find it linked below as well. Now let's continue. Habit number 4. They schedule maintenance before it's needed. This is one of the smartest habits I've ever adopted. Many women wait until something looks bad before addressing it. The roots grow out, the brows disappear, the nails chip, the skin becomes dehydrated. Then everything suddenly feels overwhelming. Elegant women often do the opposite. They maintain before things become a problem. A quick brow appointment, a trim before the ends become damaged, a nail refresh before everything looks worn. Small maintenance prevents major correction. And honestly, this applies to life as much as beauty. Habit number 5. They create beauty routines that fit real life. This is where many women struggle. They build routines that look beautiful on social media, but don't fit their actual schedule. Old money women tend to be practical. If they have 10 minutes, they create a 10-minute routine. If they have 30 minutes, they create a 30-minute routine. The goal isn't complexity, the goal is sustainability. Because a simple routine done consistently is infinitely more powerful than a perfect routine you abandon after 3 days. My love, before we continue, if you've been enjoying these conversations, you'll absolutely love this month's issue of the Return to Elegance editorial. The June theme is The Beauty of Slow Living, and we're exploring beauty, faith, elegant homes, feminine rituals, style, and intentional living all month long. New pages are added every week, so it's something you can enjoy throughout June rather than all at once. You'll find it linked below. Now let's continue. Habit number 6. They understand that beauty starts with health. This may not be the most glamorous habit, but it may be the most important. The women who consistently look radiant often prioritize the things nobody can see: sleep, nutrition, hydration, stress management, movement, fresh air. Because beauty products can enhance what already exists, but they can never replace vitality. And there is something incredibly elegant about a woman who takes care of herself from the inside out. Habit number 7. They choose one beauty feature and make it exceptional. This is something I noticed years ago when observing very elegant women. They don't try to perfect everything. Instead, they usually have one feature that is always beautifully maintained. For one woman, it might be her hair. For another, her skin. For another, her smile. For another, her posture. And because that one feature is so polished, the entire appearance feels elevated. Many women exhaust themselves trying to perfect 10 things at once. Old money women often focus on 1 or 2 things exceptionally well. And honestly, I think that's a much smarter approach. Habit number 8. They protect their smile. One thing that immediately makes a woman look more polished is a well-maintained smile. Not necessarily perfect teeth, not celebrity veneers, simply healthy, cared-for teeth. Regular cleanings, whitening when needed, good dental habits, fresh breath, and taking care of the smile before there is a problem. A beautiful smile is one of the most powerful accessories a woman can wear. And unlike fashion trends, it never goes out of style. Habit number 9. They never leave the house looking unfinished. Now, this doesn't mean full makeup, or perfect hair, or being dressed up. What it means is intentionality. Even if she's wearing leggings, even if she's running errands, even if she's picking up groceries, there is usually one final check before leaving: the hair, the shoes, the bag, the sunglasses, the overall impression. Because elegant women understand something important. People rarely remember the details. They remember the overall impression, and that final 2-minute check can completely change it. Habit number 10. They never look rushed. And my love, I think this may be the most powerful habit of all. Because elegance is not only visual, it's energetic, not in a spiritual sense, but in the sense of how a woman carries herself. The woman who is constantly rushing, constantly apologizing, constantly flustered, often appears less polished than she actually is, while a woman who moves with intention instantly appears more refined, even if she's wearing simple clothes, even if she spent very little money. And this is one of the reasons I believe old money style is often misunderstood. People think it's about brands, but it's not. It's about composure, it's about self-respect. It's about caring for yourself consistently enough that you don't need constant correction. Because true elegance is not created in the 15 minutes before you leave the house. It's created through small habits, repeated week after week, month after month, year after year. And eventually, those habits become part of who you are. And that's why the most elegant women often look effortless, not because they do less, but because they prepared long before anyone was watching. And my love, before you go, don't forget that the June issue of the Return to Elegance editorial is now available. This month's theme is the beauty of slow living. If you've been longing for more beauty, peace, intention, and elegance in your daily life, I think you're going to love it. And if you're ready for a deeper transformation, I would also love to invite you into the Return to Elegance Masterclass. Inside the masterclass, we go far beyond individual habits and beauty tips. We explore personal style, elegant living, feminine presence, beauty, wardrobe building, self-image, confidence, lifestyle design, and the practical steps that help a woman become the most refined version of herself. It's truly the place where we take everything we discuss on this channel and put it into a complete step-by-step system. You'll also find my Return to Elegance ebook linked below, which many women use as their starting point before joining the masterclass. Everything is linked for you in the description box. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these habits do you think makes the biggest difference? And which one are you going to start implementing this week? Thank you for spending this time with me. And until next time, live beautifully, love deeply, and never forget that elegance begins at home.